niggas know how a nigga like me just coming out the fucking cold. I got the K, I got the drum, I got anything, get ready.
What up, gang? Desmond Black with another vlog, Desmond Black Vlogs, that is. I'm gonna start off by saying I apologize to my subscribers, my non-subscribers who's been staying tuned with my videos. I haven't been uploading that much, but I've been busy in Chicago. I just got back 2 days ago. I've been waiting to upload this video about this title you see, about me totaling out my car, man. Also been busy with my other channel, Sweet Black Vlogs. That's me and my wife's channel. That's more for couples. Y'all go over there, subscribe to that channel. I've been uploading over there. I got like 3 or 4 videos. That channel has about 10 subscribers. This one has 80. So y'all help me out. Let's get that subscriber count up, man. But let's get straight into it about this total 10th gen Honda Civic hatchback sport.
And I probably take him. Play that shit on TNT.
That's my cut it down. 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 That's my motherfucking cut it. Start a problem, make it ugly. Got 2 clips in a drum, man. This bitch get real lovely. My cutty in the back.
So let's start off with the outside. Last night I did a little scrubbing. I got the tire mark off. It was way worse than that, but you could see the tire mark. I'll get into the story how this all happened later on in this video, but that's all the damage right there. I got the spare. My airbags came out. Front and back. Let me show y'all this with my window. So that's the farthest my window goes down due to the dent right there. It doesn't go no farther because the dent's stopping it from going down. And there's the inside damage. This right here is just my rim. But yeah, man, the other part of the car is perfectly fine. It's literally just that one side. Everything else is good on it. Until we get over here. Let me show y'all something else. So this is the actual rim that came off. Well, it didn't come off. I took it off last night because it was flat. I have another rim already in the car. All right, man. So it's story time, man. I'm about to answer the question everybody wants to know. How did the wreck happen? What kind of car are you getting next? So, I was leaving work March 17th around 10:30 at night, and I looked in my rearview mirror and I seen a white car going full speed. And, I thought it was a sports car, honestly, how fast it was going, but it wasn't. It was a white Prius. So it's 3 lanes on this highway, I-30, and it was this lane, the middle lane, and the right lane. I'm in the middle lane. The Prius was in the right lane going super fast. I seen it in the rearview mirror coming up fast. So I'm like, how fast he going? I was like, I don't even want no part of him like hitting me. So I got all the way over in the far left lane so it could be no way that car could hit me. So once I got over in the left lane, I continued to go. And in that middle lane I was already in, I then got over. But I got over after I had already passed the car. This white car is still coming. So right when I got in this middle lane, that white car that was speeding ran into my passenger side where y'all seen. I feel like he did it on purpose, but if he did or didn't, my car spinned out on the highway. I'm so like shocked. I'm thinking I'm pressing the brake, but I'm pressing the gas. So I'm like drifting all across the highway. My car like doing donuts. So I'm laying there like trying to not get hit by any trucks, 18-wheelers, anything that's coming on the highway. And I eventually realized that I was pressing the gas, so I hit the brake. Once I hit the brake, I seen that I was good, and I exited off quick, and I went to a 7-Eleven nearby. So once I got to that 7-Eleven, I hopped out, looked at my car, and I looked on the highway to see the car that I got hit by. So he was still on the highway, but he had hit another car after he hit me. They stayed on the highway. I don't know if they transferred information or not, but they stayed on the highway. I exited off because I was in the middle of the highway and I could have got hit. So I called the police, made a police report. One guy at the 7-Eleven came up to me and was like, "Are you okay?" And he was like, "That was a white Prius that hit you." And whenever the Prius drove off, you could hear that the tire was locked up, because when it drove off, it was like it was brake, like it was driving as if it was holding the e-brake or something. So I went in 7-Eleven and I asked the owner of the place, like the cashier, if it was any cameras like facing the highway, and he was like, "No, the only cameras that they got is facing the gas stations and inside the store only." So I was like, man. So once I called the police, they took about 10 minutes to get there. The car had already drove off on the highway, and there was another car on there as well. But moral of the story, man, my car gone. For y'all that's been watching, y'all know like last month I just replaced the engine in it. I don't know if I got bad luck or a sign from God saying this car isn't for me, if I'm doing something wrong in my life, I don't know. But first, my spark plugs went out, fixed those. Then my engine blew up headed to Houston to go watch the Raptors and Rockets. That blew up. I had to get my engine replaced, fixed my engine, and about a week and a half later, I get sideswiped on the highway, man. So honestly, I don't want to put no more money into this car. I'm dealing with the insurance right now to see if they're gonna help me, because it was a hit and run. We're looking for whoever hit me through the investigation or whatever. But I'm waiting, man. I don't know if I'm gonna get another Honda. I don't know if it'll be paid off because I still owed a lot on it. I don't know. So for the questions on what I'm getting next, I'm not sure yet. Y'all just have to keep watching or follow my Snap, follow my Instagram, stay tuned on that. I don't know what I'm getting next. I don't know if they're going to give me money to get another car. So I'm just playing the waiting game, man. But that's what happened. Shout out, big shout out to the 80 subscribers I got. I'm trying to get 100 soon. I know that's it's not a lot, but it is to me. I'm still fresh in this. I think since September, October, November, December, January, February. I've been doing this 6 months, and I got 80 subscribers. So by the time I hit a year, I want to have 250 to 300. So I don't know, that's a lot of work, but I'm grateful for whatever I get. But this channel has 80 subscribers. Shout out to everybody who's subscribed, who's been following me through this journey, through my videos, my car meets, my car breaking down, my wife, us getting the house, my wife getting pregnant, all that. But y'all wanna stay tuned on the other channel, like I said, Sweet Black Vlogs. The link will be in the description on this video. I've been uploading on that pretty often. Once again, I apologize to y'all for not uploading on this channel, but it's been because of I've been dealing with a lot as far as investigating on this car and all that. Plus, I've been in Chicago. If y'all want to see the Chicago trip when I went over there with my wife on vacation for our anniversary, look on the other channel, Sweet Black Vlogs, or look in the description. Thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for the next video, which I can't tell y'all when, but I'm sure the next video on this channel will be what car I'm getting next. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment. My next video will most likely be the next car I'm getting, if I'm getting another car, or fixing this one up if I have to. So y'all stay tuned. Deuces.
Grace, I'm the greatest right now. Fuck if you feel me, you ain't got a choice. I ain't do no promo, still made all that noise. The shit gon' be different, I said.